Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Jim Boyer, Marketing Manager at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. And I wanted to take a quick minute, do a video of this 2006 Dodge Ram 4x4 that we're getting ready to put on the lot. It does have the 5.9 liter Cummins diesel engine in it, but I wanted to do a quick walk around. It's got nice wheels, nice rims and tires. Tread's very good condition on this. So let me back away a little bit to show you this side of it, and we will I'll go ahead and take a hop inside in the cab and show you what that looks like here in just a second. Go back here on the back end. Now this truck does have a bed liner, so I'll go ahead and pull it down and I'll back away a little bit. You can see that it does have tinted windows on it. This is an SLT. It's got the 8-foot cab on it, or bed liner on it. You can see the body actually appears in very good condition on this truck. So let me go ahead. I'm going to open the back door first. Now I do have the seats are back kind of far, but there you can see you've got cloth interior, gray. The headliner is in fantastic condition. I'll back off and I'll show you the door panel is gray also. Go ahead and I will, before I hop up in, let me show you the seats on it. Now it does have a couple holes, as you can see right here, but we are dealing a truck that is a 2006, but all in all the truck is in good condition with this. So let me hop up in here. Sorry for the jiggling around with the video. Let me go ahead and close this, and I'm actually going to go ahead and start this thing up. Let me back off and I'll show you the steering wheel. It's actually a very comfortable grip, but this truck does have cruise control. You have your buttons here on your steering wheel. Your gauges are right here on your side column with your boost pressure, transmission temperature, and your third one. You do have controls for your lighting down here. Now, as of the time of this video, the miles on this truck is 167,274. And you get over here with the control center. This is not working properly. I mean, the radio does work, as you can hear, but the display is not working properly on this. Now here is your selector for your 4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive, your heating, cooling section here. There's your adjustment for your brake. But it's got a nice 3-cup holder, plenty of storage area with this truck. And this entire thing will lift up for additional storage. Video of your controls up overhead. Now I'm going to turn around here. I'll show you the back seat. Now it does have 2 cup holders right down here also. But that is the interior of the truck. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. But as far as financing, we do have a lot of lenders that are very eager and willing to offer the financing. So if you don't have to have perfect credit for this. That's the nice thing with the multiple lenders that we have that we work with. The majority of our deals that we do with people are done with no money down. So if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. The phone number up here is area code 740-992-4443. And come up, take a drive, take a look at this truck, do a complete walk around, check it out, but make a nice one for you. So with that, hope you have a great day.